welcome back to my channel. First off, I am so sorry I've been MIA the last few months. I've been a little preoccupied, and I promise I have the best reason ever. Wait for it. Look at this. Look at this cutie patootie. This is my baby girl. She was born June 27th. Her name is Caitlin. Say hi. Say hi. She has hiccups. So cute. I think that's her saying hi, guys. Okay. Anyways, between her and her older sister, adjusting has been interesting to say the least. So I appreciate you hanging in there for me, and I hope to say that I am back. Obviously, maybe not as often as I would like. I'm gonna lay her down now. So yeah, so if you hear baby sounds, she is just down here with me. That's what you'll hear. It's really exciting for me to be filming again. So I thought I would make it a very easy video today, which is my giveaway video. Finally, my giveaway video. My intention was to do a giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. And lo and behold, as of this morning, I have officially hit 2,000 subscribers. So thank you to everyone who has subscribed. I hope that you're finding my content helpful. As a thank you to all of you, and to make up for the fact that I didn't do a 1,000 subscriber giveaway, I'm actually gonna do 2 giveaways. So one will be here on YouTube exclusively, and the other one will be over on my Instagram exclusively. So you can enter one or the other or both. So I'm gonna go over the rules for the YouTube one and what I will be giving away, and then I'll go quickly over the Instagram one just to kind of give you an idea so that if you're interested, you can go check that out and enter for it there. One last thing before I get into the giveaway, because I feel like I need to address this. I've noticed a lot of spammy comments on my most popular videos, which is the one about increasing your credit score quickly and how to avoid paying interest on your credit cards. If you go look at those videos, there's a lot of comments of like people trying to sell you on credit repair and like putting phone numbers on there. I've tried so hard to delete and report those comments as quickly as I possibly can, but I'm just one person and there's no way that I've gotten through all of them. Please do not contact them at all. I'm all for comments that are, either offer constructive criticism or that offer their own opinion on personal finance, or that something that might have worked for them that you could try out. Personal finance is a very personal thing. I've always said that. And I just try to give you the information that I have either used myself or that I've learned through my banking years, or that that I've helped somebody with. So I try to give you that information, and I try to do my research before I post anything, but by no means do I expect this to be your one-stop shop for all personal finance needs. I expect you and hope that you go and do further research on your own, that you get a few different points of view, and then from there, you do what is best for you and your situation when it comes to your finances. But I just wanted to give you a PSA on those spammy comments that I've gotten, and to please not even give them the light of day. That's that. I wanted to make sure I pointed that out because it's really gotten annoying and I can't keep up with them, and it frustrates me that I can't keep up with them. So I just want you to be aware of that issue. Other than that, let's get into the giveaways. Oh, you're being such a good girl. Thank you. All right, first off, of course, my YouTube giveaway. I wanted something that was pretty simple, pretty straightforward, something that anyone could benefit from. So the giveaway is going to be a $100 Amazon gift card. So once I choose the winner, I will announce it on my next video, and you'll DM me with your information. Name and email address is all I will need, and then I will email you the $100 Amazon gift card. And the only 3 things that you need to do to be entered into the giveaway is 1, be subscribed to my channel. Duh, right? If you're new to my channel, hi everyone, my name is Lizbet, and I make videos that help you plan for a better financial future while living your best life today. So if that interests you, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss out on new videos and on the giveaway. Number 2, like this video, because who doesn't like giveaways? And lastly, number 3, I want you to comment down below a video idea. right? Whether you want to learn more about credit, whether you want to learn more about budgeting, whether you want to learn more about how I deal with my personal finances, maybe retirement, 401k, child savings accounts, a question, maybe a particular phrase that you've heard of in the personal finance realm that you don't quite know what it means and you want more information. This is kind of the video that I'm going to refer back to whenever I'm looking for video ideas. Everything's up for grabs. I just want ideas and I want them to come from my subscribers. So yeah, it's that simple. Make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure that you like this video and make sure that you give me a comment over a video idea related to personal finance. Let's move on to the Instagram giveaway, which is a little bit more precise. I'm going to give away 3 things. The first one is my favorite felt markers. Next up, my favorite highlighters. These are the Sharpie highlighters. There are 8 of them. I think she's tired of hearing me talk. Sorry, baby got fussy, so here we are. Lastly, Erin Condren. Those are my favorite planners. They are pricey. That is why I make sure to only get one every year. It lasts me all year. It's really great quality. And I take care of it because it costs me a little bit more than just a regular old planner. As part of that giveaway, I'm going to do a $50 Erin Condren gift card, whether it is for the coming up school year or for the coming up year. If you want to buy it during their Black Friday sale, just save it. But usually their sales for Black Friday are just like 30% off site-wide. So hopefully that's the case this year because that's usually what I do. So if you're interested in that giveaway, the Erin Condren planner gift card, the highlighters, and the pens, then go on over to my Instagram, look for this picture right here, and it will give you all the instructions for what you need to do in order to be entered into that giveaway. So there you have it. Those are the 2 giveaways that I'm doing in honor of my 2,000 subscribers. So once again, thank y'all so much for subscribing. Thank you for all the kind comments I've gotten. I've even had a couple of trolls there and some of y'all who have stuck up for me, which is honestly the sweetest thing ever. This is just me trying to educate people as much as I can so that you feel more comfortable talking about personal finances and budgets. And it's not such a taboo thing to talk about, in my opinion. I think more of us should do it so that people feel comfortable enough talking about it and we can help each other out that way. Because the more you know, the better decisions you make. So yeah, so I appreciate all of you who have taken the time to leave me a comment, to like the videos, to share them with your friends. I really, truly appreciate that. I can't wait to see all of your comments and video ideas that you will leave me. Hopefully I can get on a better schedule to be able to put these up for you on a more consistent basis. But just hang in there with me while I navigate being a mom of 2 and just being a stay-at-home mom in general, because I never saw myself being a stay-at-home mom. Thank you so much for your time, guys. If you have any other questions, comments, or concerns, comment section is always open. I do look at all the comments and I try my best to reply to as many as I can while getting rid of the spammy ones. Other than that, thank you so much for watching and I will talk to y'all next time. Bye, guys. Say bye, baby. Say bye. Nap time.